This is Carbon.Fi in 1 minute. The markets related to carbon offsets and carbon trading are still in their infancy, with much growth poised to happen in the coming decade. Climate change is real, and it's happening at a pace far beyond our ability to comprehend its true impact. Carbon.Fi is building a platform that allows you to put your crypto to work and get rewarded with carbon offsets and their native ZRO token. The interest generated on your assets is rewarded to innovate carbon offset projects to help them make the world a better place for generations to come. A carbon offset is a reduction in emissions of carbon dioxide created through climate positive projects. These carbon offsets can be bought and sold on Carbon.Fi's offset exchange. ZRO is the governance token for the platform, selecting which offset projects will be funded, and also allows holders to enjoy cheaper transaction fees on the offset exchange according to the amount of ZRO that they hold. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Carbon.Fi. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.